heading towards Bake Oven Knob. Goal is, well, not the goal. Kind of have to get back to Smith Gap tomorrow, so about 20 miles in total over 24 hours. Shouldn't be a fucking problem. We'll see what's up with this shelter. Hook says that it's a popular party spot for the youngins. So this is Bake Oven Knob. I am sweating like a pig already. Shelter's about a mile up. We'll see what happens. No, not from here. All right, update. We are at Lehigh Gap. Yep. Crossing. We've done about 8 miles this morning. Shelter last night. I ended up cowboy camping because we had a flip-flopper. Guy kept rolling and turning in his sleep, drove me nuts. Plus it was really warm. Had a glorious night of cowboy camping. Woke up 4:50 this morning on trail by 5:10. It's been a soupy hot ass fucking Pennsylvania day, but it's been glorious.
Good morning from the Lehigh fucking river.
About halfway out of, on the other side of, holy shit, that's amazing. Lehigh Gap. Gone about 9 miles. Stopped, did the morning routine in a parking lot before coming up this goddamn mountain. It is a beautiful fucking day. So we just climbed out of Lehigh Gap. Most difficult climb that I've ever done. I'll put the pictures in, but a mile straight up. Trail disappears at points for scrambles. Looking at Palmerton on a nice rock-free section at the moment. Let's hope it stays that way. We got less than 11 miles to go on the day. Done about 16 miles out of the 2021. Lehigh Gap kicked our asses, and then coming out of there exposed to the sun, not pleasant. Hit the last water source. It was flowing, but it's contaminated with metal supposedly. That's what the Sawyers are for though, so we're all good. Just added an extra tang. Thunderstormed, rained, and now we're on this section of trail. We're back to sunny, hot, and humid, which is okay, because we're in the green tunnel. We're on this ridge line back to the car. Hopefully it stays like this, because right now the rocks aren't too bad. Report back at the car, hopefully feeling refreshed, energized, and like a conquering hero. Final check-in, 0.3 from the car. So I think I'll wrap up the video now. Tummel's probably already at the car. I've been kicking my ass today. But did it. 21 miles in less than 13 hours. up out there. This was one of the most grueling hikes I've ever been on. I did fairly well coming out of that Lehigh Gap, that huge 1 mile climb. But ever since then, I've been struggling. This terrain right now is not too bad, but it's been really, really rocky, and I don't do well with that at all. I will take a huge climb any day. So this is one of the most difficult days I've had on trail in a while. Hot, humid, struggling with the terrain. Be glad to be done with Pennsylvania eventually. I think next AT trip is going to be up in Connecticut. Get that done. A bit more friendly on the terrain, on the feet, on the body in general. I give a lot of credit to thru hikers doing this day after day. This is insane. You guys are awesome. PA sucks. Fuck these fucking rocks.